How to access Telegram Cloud. Hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will show you that how can you access your Telegram Cloud. So let's get started. On this process, firstly you have to open your Telegram account. So simply you have to open it. And now from here on this interface, you will be able to see like a pen icon just at the bottom right corner of the screen. So it usually appear at the top of your camera icon. So simply tap on the pencil, and now from here you'll have to go the options new channel. So simply tap on it, and all the way now from here you'll have to give a name to your channel. So I will give a name like file storage. Okay, so in the description I will be saying like my personal cloud storage. Okay, so after you done this, you will have to click on that done option just at the top right corner of the screen. And now from here you will have to set your channel type. So choose the private one, and now from here again click on the tick option just at the top right corner of the screen. So simply tap on it, and now from here you'll have to back, and now as you can see the channel name file storage has been created as in private. So I have to open it, and now I can access the unlimited Telegram Cloud from here. So I can now upload the data or some pictures from here. So this is the easiest and simplest method to access the Telegram Cloud on your device. So hope you like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.